Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. And before we get started, you'll need to grab a cable and have it plugged into your computer. That is so we can boot the tablet into recovery mode. Now I should also add that this will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So I'll be progressing from the lock screen as though I don't know it. And additional info is if you also have a Google or Samsung account signed in on the device, once you go through with this, you will need to verify either the previously used screen lock or the Google or Samsung account that was signed in on the tablet when the reset is finished. So just want to point that out to people that think that they're just going to be able to remove a screen lock and have access to the device. There will still be a requirement to verify one of the two. And when it comes down to the account, it will pick Samsung account over Google if there are both. But if there's only one, obviously it will pick that one. So yeah, now I'm going to plug in our device right away. There we go. And when you plug it in, from here you want to hold your power button and volume down, because we won't be able to turn off the device without doing so, because we would need to provide a screen lock. Just a little bit of a caveat annoyance little thingy thing from Samsung just to annoy you a little bit further. We can achieve the same kind of thing as powering off, or at least rebooting it, by holding these two buttons, power button and volume down. And that's what we're going to do. Now, with that being said, I recommend interacting with the display, because otherwise it just times out after like a couple of seconds. So even when you're holding the buttons, it will time out. Probably like right now. Yep, there we go. And it might mislead you to think that the device turned off instead of just screen turning off itself. So anyway, power button, volume down, interact with the display. Once it turns off, switch to volume up, so power button and volume up. And when you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go of the power button, meaning the second part. And as you can see, this boots us into the recovery mode. So just to recap, hold power button, volume down, screen turn or tablet turns off, and you switch from volume down to volume up. And when you see the Galaxy, because first we have Samsung, then Galaxy shows up, you want to let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and this will take you right here. So once we have our recovery mode visible, we can unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us in here, another little annoyance from Samsung. And using volume buttons to navigate, we want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it with the power button. I'm going to select Factory Data Reset and reboot. So you confirm it using your power button. And as you can see, reset is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, like I mentioned before, you might need to verify the account if you had one signed in, so it will force you to connect to Wi-Fi. In any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.